ready to transform your online business dreams into a stunning, high-converting reality. First, head over to Wix.com and sign up for an account. They offer various plans, so choose one that fits your business needs, especially considering the e-commerce features. Next, it's template time. Wix offers a wide array of professionally designed e-commerce templates. Browse through them, previewing each one, and select the template that best reflects your brand's aesthetic and the type of products you're selling. Now, let's customize it. Start by adding your logo and adjusting the color scheme to match your brand identity. Wix's drag-and-drop interface makes this super easy. Change the fonts to ones that are readable and aesthetically pleasing. Time to showcase your products. Click on Add Products and meticulously upload high-quality images. Write compelling product descriptions highlighting the key features and benefits, and set your pricing. Be sure to organize your products into logical categories. Next, ensure seamless transactions. Navigate to the Settings panel and configure your payment methods. Wix supports various options like PayPal, credit cards, and more. Then, set up your shipping options, including rates and delivery zones. Optimize the checkout process. Keep it simple, clear, and secure. Reduce the number of steps, provide clear instructions, and prominently display security badges to build trust. Boost your visibility. Explore Wix's built-in marketing tools. Connect your social media accounts, create email marketing campaigns to engage your customers, and utilize SEO tools to improve your search engine ranking. Finally, preview your website on different devices: desktop, tablet, and mobile to ensure it looks fantastic on every screen. Make any necessary adjustments and hit publish. Congratulations, your online store is now live and ready to welcome customers. Don't forget to continually analyze your store's performance and make adjustments based on customer feedback and sales data.